Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the preview pane not showing PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. So if the preview pane in File Explorer on the Windows or Finder on the Mac OS isn't displaying PDF previews, so the issue is usually related to the preview settings and the file associations, even the Adobe Acrobat or the operating system. So actually guys, first I do really want you to enable the preview pane on the Windows, okay? So you all need to make sure the preview pane is turned on. All you need to do is to go and open your File Explorer just right here, and then go and select preview right here at the top right corner, or just go with Alt P keys on your keyboard and then select the PDF to see if the preview appears, right? So if it's not showing here, you will need then to enable the PDF previews in Adobe Acrobat, right? So just go back to your Adobe Acrobat, and you should know that Acrobat includes a setting that enables the PDF thumbnails and previews in the Windows Explorer, right? So just go ahead and click on the menu at the top left corner here, and then go with the preferences. Even you can go with Ctrl+K, as you can see on your keyboard. And here guys, you all need to go to the general, so select it and then go with enable PDF thumbnail previews in Windows Explorer, right? And then go with OK and restart the File Explorer or your Windows. So go with yes here. Wait a few seconds first, and then restart your computer. Go to your File Explorer and then click on that PDF that you want to preview, and don't forget to click right here on the preview tab or preview option. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.